Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to check out some food processor that literally everyone is buying from. Gadgets that are really handy for kitchen tasks. These are Amazon's most viral food processor you must see, and like always, links to these gadgets will be in the description below. The Ninja food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify food prep tasks like chopping, slicing, grating, pureeing, and mixing. Known for its powerful motor and sharp, durable blades, the Ninja food processor is a favorite among home cooks and professional chefs alike for its speed, precision, and reliability. The Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap food processor is an affordable and user-friendly kitchen appliance designed to make food prep easier and more efficient. Known for its simple assembly and intuitive design, this food processor offers a variety of features that cater to both beginner and seasoned cooks. The food processor typically features a spacious 10-cup capacity bowl, which is great for preparing large batches of ingredients for families or meal prepping. The Reveuse food processor is a compact and versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation with its powerful features and user-friendly design. Whether you're chopping, slicing, grating, or blending, the Reveuse food processor makes food prep quicker and more efficient, helping you save time in the kitchen. The GE food processor is a reliable and versatile kitchen appliance designed to make food preparation faster, easier, and more efficient. Known for its solid performance and user-friendly features, GE food processors are popular among home cooks who want to simplify tasks like chopping, slicing, grating, and pureeing. With its sleek design and practical capabilities, the GE food processor is a great addition to any kitchen. The Ninja blender and food processor is a versatile, high-performance kitchen appliance designed to tackle a wide range of food prep tasks. Combining the power of a blender and food processor in one, it provides the ultimate convenience for anyone who wants to make everything from smoothies to chopped vegetables, nut butter, dough, and more. Known for its powerful motor and durable construction, the Ninja blender and food processor is a go-to option for home cooks and professionals alike. This appliance combines the functions of both a blender and a food processor, making it a one-stop solution for various kitchen tasks. You can use it to blend smoothies, soups, and shakes, or process ingredients for salsas, dips, doughs, and more.